Let's talk about critical powertrain components. Millions of school children rely on transportation in the iconic yellow buses. From the scorching heat in Reno, Nevada to the frigid cold in Fairbanks, Alaska, those buses put an extreme strain on the transmission with the constant stop and go. And here is where the fine blank parts come in. Clutch plates perfectly flat, nice clean surfaces, and that's what Feintool produces, millions and millions, and those parts, those clutch plates, end up in those transmissions. Feintool brought a process in-house, it's called heat flattening or heat setting, to provide the best customer value and the highest part quality.
By continuing to vertically integrate our processes here at Feintool, it gives us even more control over the quality aspect of our product, not relying on outside services and being able to provide that commitment even more to our customers. So the value to the customer from this process at our facility allows us to control our inventory levels, reduce our lead time, and allow flexibility to our customers' orders and changes, providing just-in-time delivery. At this facility here at Feintool Cincinnati, we are doing heat clamp tempering. It's a stress-relieving process that allows us to ensure flat product to our customer. We put those through a compression, about 5 tons of compression force, and then we hold those tight and compress through the process. From that press operation, the parts are moved onto trays, and then the automation of our process takes over from there. The heat treating process we're using here at Feintool is a stress relieving process with an oxygen deprived environment. We control the temperature in the ramp up phase as well as our soap before we hit the transition temperature, and then we bring that temperature back down at a controlled rate below the oxidation level before reintroducing those parts into the original atmosphere. After the parts are unloaded, they get inspected 100% visually and dimensionally through a slip gauge before being packed into our final customer containers and shipped directly from this site. At Feintool, we pride ourselves in having a cradle-to-grave approach from the design all the way through our fine blanking and really controlling all of our operations. And this is the newest piece in that vertical integration.